Got my laces up tight, stepping ready to fight. Mirror says I look mean, sweat drips down, still clean. Count it up, 1, 2, 3. Got the fire in me. Every move got a price, I pay it twice, then I rise. Push it now. No excuses, no how. Heartbeat loud in my chest. I came here to be my best. One more rep, I'm not done. Watch me go, watch me run. One more rep, I won't fold. Strong like steel, hot like gold. One more rep, hear me say, I don't quit, not today. One more rep, that's my zone. I came in here to own my bones. Heavyweight I embrace, pace by pace, face to face. Every burn got a name, I turn pain into fame. Water break, then I'm back. No slip, no slack, no crash. When my body says stop, I hit the next level up. Push it now. No excuses, no how. Heartbeat loud in my chest. I came here to be my best. One more rep, I'm not done. Watch me go, watch me run. One more rep, I won't fold. Strong like steel, hot like gold. One more rep, hear me say, I don't quit, not today. One more rep, that's my zone. I came in here to own my bones. Drop low, breathing deep. This is mine, this is key.